Today we're going to go over basically part one of our electric bike modifications to the frame. We're going to cut off the two lower motor brackets and the two tank tabs. This is step one. Once you have the two motor mount tabs cut off, we'll finish up grinding the frame. Only grind to the tube. Try not to grind through the tube at all because you'll weaken the structure. So we're just grinding off the welding. Next, we're going to cut off these two tank tabs, this tab and that tab, and we're going to grind this down about 1/8 of an inch on each side to give us room for the battery box to go down into the frame.